Hello guys, here in Silver Mode and we came about the full stack web development, and in today's full stack web development, this video your whole concept will be clear about it. So see the video start to end, and please like this video, share fast, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also never miss any future related videos about the full stack web development. So without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, here you can see we're more than me came out the HTML, and in today's HTML video I'm telling you the Favicon. If you don't know what is Favicon, so in today's video your whole concept will be clear about it, what is Favicon in HTML. So let's know about it without wasting any time, and let's know about what is Favicon in HTML. So let's talk about it. Now, Favicon is a small image displayed in the next to the page title in the browser tab. If you don't know how to add a favicon in HTML, let me tell you. You can use any image you like as your favicon. You can also create your own favicon on sites like https://www.favicon.cc. This is one image. This is one link. Okay, let me open this link and you directly go here. Okay, here you will be change the color also. Okay, here you can see what is that. Let me tell you. You can use any image as you like as your favicon. You can also create your own favicon on sites like this, or like on this link. Okay, in this link you will be creating your own favicon. Okay, let me show you how. Let me do it like this. Let me reload it and like this. Here you can see it, or you can make anything like. Here you can see it like you make anything. Okay. Tip: a favicon is a small image, so it should be a simple page with high contrast. Okay. A favicon image is displayed to the left of the page title in the browser tab like this. Okay. Hey, let me show you. In the left of the page, the favicon item has been printed. Let me show you. If I write here code with Ryan, so here you can see the favicon icon has been printed here. Okay. Now let me minimize it and let me erase it. To add a favicon to your website, either save your favicon image to the root directory of the web server, or create a folder in the root directory called the images and save your favicon image in this folder. A common name for a favicon image is favicon.ico. Next, add a link element to your index.html file after the title element like this. Okay. Now let me show you how to add a favicon. Only copy it and directly on your Visual Studio Code. Okay, then you create your file, and I'm making my file, and my file name is index.html, and I'm making this file on my document, and then I create this file, and then I'm pasting this code here. Here I give the my page title. Okay, I give the in the title element I give my title to my browser. My web page is my page title, and then I will be let me show you how to come the favicon. If you want favicon, so you write there favicon.ico. So if you want any favicon like favicon, so this type of many favicon has been came. So I'm clicking this favicon, and then I'm right click it and then save it, and then I am saving it in my documents. Okay. Now jpg. Now then when I save it and let me open my browser. Now here you can see the favicon icon has been came here. Here you can see it. Like that you can do it, or you can, if you want any type of favicon icon, you will be put here. Okay, any type of. Okay, if you want like this is my channel. Where is my channel? Code with Ryan. So let me come here and let me search my channel. Okay, Code with Ryan. So here my first my channel has been came, and let me click it. Okay, now here's my image. Here you can see it. Let me copy the link from here. Okay, copy it, and then simply as I'm pasting this link, and then I'm save it and then run it. So here you can see it. My image and me came here. Okay, like that. Here you can see it like that. You can do it very easy. Yes. Now minimize it. Now, save the indexed HTML file and reload it in your browser. Your browser tabs will now display your favicon image to the left of the page title. Okay, like here it is printing me. You can see it now. Like when I open the YouTube, there is coming the favicon item in the left side of title. Then in this Google Photos, in the left of the title there is coming the Google Photos icon, like that. In the YouTube it is coming, and in the my browser it is coming, like that. Or if you then when you open the Google, so here you can see the Google favicon icon has became like that. Or when you open the Gmail, Gmail favicon icon has became here, like that. You can do it. Okay, so let me close it. And now favicon file format support. The following table shows the file format for favicon image. Okay, browser, age. Let me show you one thing. Let me do this, or let me do this. Okay, age browser. ICO, yes, it support the ICO. Then PNG, yes, it supported. GIF file, yeah, Edge browser will support it. JPG, yeah, these all files has been supported by the Edge. Then Chrome, yeah, Chrome support the ICO, yes. Then PNG, yeah, yes, it supported. Then GIF, yeah. Then JPG, yes. Okay, Edge and Chrome support ICO and PNG and GIF and JPG. Then Firefox ICO, yes. Then PNG, yes. And then GIF, then yes. Then JPG, yes. It is also support these all things. But Opera also support the ICO, yes. Then Chrome, then PNG, yes. Then GIF, then yes. Then JPG, yes. And then Safari also support ICO, yes. Then PNG, yeah, then GIF, yeah, then JPG. Okay, the Safari, Opera, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, it supports all four, like ICO, PNG, GIF, and JPG. Chapter summary. Use the HTML link element to insert a favicon. Okay, use the HTML link element to insert a favicon. Okay, if you want to insert a favicon, so you use the HTML link element. Okay, in the link element you write your href and that all thing in your link element. Okay, not any place. Okay, only in the link element you write, in the href you write your image name or image link. Okay, but here you can see it. In today's video I told you about in the HTML what is favicon. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoyed, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notifications while also enable for any future related videos about the full stack web development and the HTML. And if you want to access my playlist of the HTML, so let me tell you how you can access it. You only go here and then search it my channel by the name of CodeWithPk, then and open my channel, then you subscribe it and all the notification bell also. And we are very near to 12,000 subscribers. Please complete it, then come on to the playlist and then access my Python tutorial for beginners playlist and bookmark it from here and see all the videos of it. Okay, but anyways, I'm in the next class and next very amazing class like that our videos. So now for today, goodbye.